In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text 4 on Windows 11. Let's get started and show you how you can do it. So first you have to open your browser and then just search for Sublime Text. You can do this on any browser you want. Now just check for the first result you will see here. It's from sublimetext.com. When you click on the link straight away, you will find the download for Windows, as you can see, or the download located at the top. You can choose either of them. Now click on the download for Windows. Now it's just going to start downloading the sublimetext.exe. As you can see, now just click on it. It will open the Sublime Text setup. This is the default location where Sublime Text will be downloaded. Now just click on Next. Here you will be able to see Select Additional Tasks. You just have to click this checkbox, then click on Next, and then click on Install, which is going to start installing the app. As you can see, it's very fast and it will be installed very quickly. Now just click on Finish once done. Now just go ahead and minimize the browser. And from there, just go to the Start menu. There you will find the Sublime Text app installed on your computer. You can see clearly the Sublime Text icon is visible there, or just click on All, then search for Sublime Text, and it will pop up. So you can see Sublime Text is here. Now just go ahead and open the Sublime Text app. It's a very easy process. And now Sublime Text is open on my Windows 11 operating system. So in order to open a folder, you can click on File, then click on Open Folder, and then you can select any folder you have. If a folder is not present, you can create a new folder. Now let me just create my test folder. As you can see, and inside the folder, you can create a new file. And you can see if the folder has any files inside it. Also, if you take a close look at the top of the app, you can see that it is unregistered. So in order to register the Sublime Text app, you can always go to the Sublime Text website, and then you can have it registered. But now, when I go ahead and click the About Sublime Text tab, it says unregistered. Whatever the case, all you have to do is go to the Sublime Text website and then register the app by yourself. So that's how you install the Sublime Text app on your Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.